Hello everyone, today's topic is Java operator. We will understand that what is operator and how we will use this operator in Java. So in this topic, we will understand these all the points. So to understand about the Java operator, first of all, we will understand what is operator. So as you know that in mathematics, operator is a type of symbol that's used to perform some mathematical operations. Let's take an example, just like this plus, this one is a plus sign symbol that's used to perform the addition of any two operand. Operand may be a value like 2 plus 3. So this 2 and this 3 is an operand. It will be maybe a value and it will be maybe a variable. So this a and b is a variable and this 2 and 3 is a value. This 2, 3 is an operand. A, B is also an operand. So this is called the operand. So operator is a symbol that's used to perform mathematical operation with these operands. Getting? So now here we will understand about this Java operator. So in Java, according to the operand, minimum operand, there are three different types of operator. First one is unary operator, second one is binary operator, and the third one is ternary operator. Just I told you according to the operand, it means what? Where we will use only one operand, that is called the unary operator. And where we will use two operand, this operator is known as a binary operator. And where we will use three operand, this is called a ternary operator. One by one we will understand these all the operator. So first of all, the first operator is binary operator, not a binary operator. First of all, we will understand unary operator. So in unary operator, there are two different types of operator: increment operator and decrement operator. Increment operator means the sign of increment operator is plus plus and the sign of decrement operator is minus minus. This minus minus is a symbol of decrement operator and this plus plus is a symbol of increment operator. So here we will understand how it will be work with one operand and how it will be work with one operand. Just I told you this plus plus and this minus minus is an unary operator. So this one is a unary operator. It means here we will use only one operand, because in unary operator we will use only one operand. How it will be performed with one operand and which types of tasks it will be performed, just we will understand here. First of all, this increment operator. How we will use this increment operator? Just look at here. We will use any operand A and we will write here plus plus. And this plus plus is an increment operator, and this increment operator we will use this with this operand with two different types: post increment and pre-increment. What does it means? When we will use this increment operator post and pre, how it will be performed and which types of tasks it will be performed, just look at here. A plus plus, either plus plus A means A equal to A plus 1. It means this operator we will use to increase the value of the variable only 1. We will increase the value of this variable. So we will increase plus 1. And if this minus minus operator, this operator also we will use a two different way. This post decrement and pre decrement. And this post decrement and pre decrement here also means A equal to A minus 1. It means this decrement operator also used to decrease any operand value. And here we will decrease minus 1 and here we will increase plus 1. So this plus plus A and minus minus A, either A plus plus, either A minus minus. If there are a increment operator, it means we will increase plus 1. If there are a decrement operator, it means it will be decreased minus 1. Now here you have a confusion that if a plus plus means a equal to a plus 1 and plus plus a means also a equal to a plus 1, then why we are using a two different way, a plus plus and plus plus a? Why not we are using only a plus plus, either only plus plus a? There are differences between a plus plus and plus plus a. Just here we will understand what is the differences between a plus plus and plus plus a. I'm going to explain here what is differences between, and same in decrement operator also there are differences in a minus minus and minus minus a. So first of all, I'm going to explain this on this increment operator, what is the differences between a plus plus and plus plus a. If both of the operator, if both of the post increment and pre-increment, if both of the operator, if we are using in our expressions, just like I'm going to write some Java statement, int a equal to 2, and here just I'm going to use a plus plus and system.out.print a. What will be the value of this a? And here also int a equal to 2 and plus plus a and system.out.print a. So now here I am using a post increment and here I am using a pre increment. Now the value of a is 2 when it will be executed. So just I told you that the a plus plus means it will be increase the value of this operand, and this operand value is 2, so it will be increased plus 1, so the value of a will be 3 and the answer will be 3. It will be print 3. Now here the value of a is true and we are using a plus plus a, so once again it will be increase a value of this operand plus 1, so the answer will be 3. It means both of the case answer are same. So now once again you are confused that if in both case if the answer is same answer we are getting, so why they are using this operator in two different way? Here when we are using this increment alone, it means there are no any expression, we are using this alone. So alone it will be only increase the value. We don't have to follow any rule, either we don't have to use any technique. But whenever we will use this operator in any expression, then there are differences. How? And let's take an example. With examples just I'm going to explain how it will be different when we will use this expression, this operator in any expressions. Look at it. Now I'm going to write an expression x equal to, here we will use the data type int x equal to plus plus a, and here we will write int x equal to a plus plus. Now look at here, what is the differences between plus plus a and a plus plus? When we will use this plus plus a and a plus plus alone, it means there are no any expression, the answer will be same. It means both of the operator it will be work in at the same way. But here when we will use these both of the operator in any expression, then how it will be work? What is the rule to find the answer of these both of the operator? First of all we will understand about this rule, then we will solve the expressions. So I'm going to explain the technique, how it will be work. If the value of a is 2 and we are writing plus plus a in any expression like that, so how it will be work? First of all, the value of a is 2, it will be increased. It means it will be increased means the value of a will be 3. Now the answer will be 3. And if a plus plus, in that case the value of a will be 2 and the answer will be 2, and then it will be increased 3. It means there are two different answers, 2 and 3. So this original answer is 2, but this 3 is the updated value. We will use this 3 in our expressions, but here the answer is 3 and the updated value is also 3. So that is the differences between a plus plus and plus plus a. How it will be work in our expression? Just look at here. Now here plus plus a and this plus a we are using here in an expressions. It's not alone now. That we are using this plus a in an expressions. So it means we have to follow this rule. So how it will be work? The value of a will be increase. It will be 3 and the answer will be 3. It means the value of x will be 3. But now here the value of a is 2. The answer will be 2. Now it will be increased and the value will be 3. Where we will use this increases value, just I will explain. But here the value of x will be 2. Look at the differences, a plus plus and plus a. Let's take another examples that how it's work. I'm going to use some another examples. Imagine that the value of a is 2, value of b is 3 and the value of c is 1. Now my expression is x equal to a plus a plus b plus c. Now we have to solve these expressions. Now here in this expression, look at here. We have a post increment, pre-increment and post increment. And according to the precedence of operator, first of all we have to solve this increment operator, then we will solve this another operator. So how we will solve here? So value of x, the x equal to a plus and this one is a post increment, so we have to follow this rule, and according to this rule, first of all value comes and the same value will be answer and then it will be increased. The value of a is 2, the answer will be 2 and it will be increased 3. So here the answer will be 2 plus. Now here plus a, it means we have to follow this rule. According to this rule, value come and it will be increased, then it will be answer. So here the value of a will be this 2. No, we will use this increases value here. It means the value of a will be 3 and it will be 4 and the answer will be 4. So here we will write 4 plus here b plus and b plus we will follow this rule. So the value comes and the same value will be answer and then it will be increased. The value of b is 3, it will be 3 and updated value will be 4. So here we will write 3 plus at last we have to write 1. So it means the final answer is 10. So in that way we have to follow this increment operator, and the same way we have to follow decrement operator also. Let's take another example with decrement operator. This I'm going to explain here. So let's take another example with increment and decrement both. So we will write here x equal to a plus minus a plus minus b plus b plus c minus. We have to solve this expression, and here we are using a increment and decrement both of the operator. So how we will solve this expression? Just look at here, and as I told you that the same rule we have to follow for the decrement also. If decrement operator we are using in an expressions, and decrement operator is pre-decrement and post-decrement. If there are pre, so first of all value decrease, then the answer, and here first of all the same answer we have to write, and then value we have to decrease in decrement also. That means same technique we have to follow in decrement operator also. So here first of all we have to solve this a plus and this a plus is post increment, so we have to follow this rule. Value comes and the value of a is 2, it will be, the answer will be 2 and then value increase. So the answer is 2 plus Now here decrement operator, and this one is a pre-decrement. So pre-decrement means value comes and first of all it will be decreased, then there are answer. So the value of a, it means here we will use this updated value 3 comes and it will be decreased, it means the value will be 2 and this one is the answer. So the answer will be 2 plus, and here once again minus b, it means pre-decrement. Once again value comes, the value of b will be 3, it will be decreased, it means the value of b will be 2 and then the answer is 2. So we will write 2 here plus, and here plus b, it means pre-increment operator. It means first of all value comes, it will be increased, then the answer. So value of b will be this updated value 2, it's come, it will be 3 and the answer will be 3. So here we will write 3 plus, once again c minus, the value of c comes, the same answer here we have to write, the same answer we have to write, and then we have to decrease the value. So value of c is 1, the answer will be 1 and it will be decreased, it means the value of c will be 0. So here we will write 1 and finally we will write the final answer. The right answer will be 10. So this is a way to solve increment operator and decrement operator. Some another example we have to understand here with increment and decrement, and there are two different types of unary operator, increment operator and decrement operator. In two different way we will use this increment, and same two different way we will use this decrement, pre and post. Thank you.